Hey guys, Foodmaster408 again. I'm just responding to his video of Lego City Garbage Disposal. Just wondering where exactly did he get that set? It looks pretty cool, but I just never seen it in my life. So I'm just wondering where he got the set, and yeah, just a little quick capture, just about like where he got it and stuff. And you can please respond back to this video and tell me exactly where you got it, and that'd be great. And yeah, I'll subscribe to you if you tell me where you got it, because I'll be so happy about that. So bye.